everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. I'm feeling a lot better as I was previously sick, so I thought I would get a video out for this Friday, and in this week's video I'm going to be painting some spring branches. I was inspired by sakura flower petals, and we don't really have any trees like that around where I live currently, and it's still very much winter outside. There's no green and still lots of snow. Hence, I want to paint some spring branches to lighten the mood a little bit, adding some color into my sketchbook. I painted the branch already, as you can see, with a mix of yellowish brown tones, kind of using the wet on wet technique, letting everything blend naturally all together. And I'm going with a very organic kind of shape, making sure that the branch isn't just straight. It has all these wobbly lines and such. And then I paint the flower petals like I'm doing right here. I'm using a pink color, which I made with my white watercolor paint and my red. And I guess white watercolor paint is actually gouache. But anyway, that's how I made this color. Kind of just shaping the petals in roughly, getting these kind of starry shapes. And I'm going really organic, and I'm not really making it too realistic, as I want the watercolor to create interesting textures, making things feel more stylistic. I love this vibrant red color on the pink. It makes the flowers pop. And I'm going to paint in some yellow orangish leaves just to add a little bit more character to this branch and to give it a little bit more color as well. Even though there's already a lot of color, I thought it would be fun to add some leaves in around the flowers. These colors really went well together, the orange, the yellows, and the pinks, along with the organic kind of tones of the browns and the greens. For the majority of this painting, I used my 02 round brush. For finer details, later on I used my 0.5 brush. I'm going to add in some more saturated orange over top of the yellow color, just to make the leaves stand out a little bit more. Here I'm using my detailed brush, as I said before, adding in some more texture details, tinier details, and more contrast to around certain parts of the branch, giving the leaves a little bit more characteristic as well, and adding in some spring green colors. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the end result, as always. I really loved how all the colors turned out on this page, with the reds, the pinks, the greens, the oranges, the yellow tones, the warm tones, and the cool tones, and the branches and how I kind of spaced things out on the page. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. It also helped lighten my mood and the anticipation for spring. Winter here feels never ending, but spring will arrive. I'm very excited to paint outside again. I'm not sure if I have exactly a favorite of this page. I really like the pinks and the oranges together. I thought those turned out very nice. I also included little circle palettes around old paintings. But yeah, this was my page of spring branches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and all the comments down below. They really make my day. You can find me on the social medias and the links in the descriptions below, as well as my print shop, where you can purchase some of the illustrations I've made thus far. I try to upload videos for every Friday. Sometimes I skip a Friday as life gets busy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, bye-bye.